No, where's it at? I lost it. Alright, see if you can see it. See if it picks it up. It's flying back over top of me. It's so faint. It's so small. It's not picking it up. Where's it at? I had it. Where is it? There it is. Gotcha. It's fine. Slow as shit. It's just a plane. It's, again, going right above me. Doing circles right above me. It's okay. That plane you hear is a real jet airliner flying like over top of me, not flying in circles. They just took off. So what I'm saying is this plane's just probably circling, waiting to land. You know, that's all. Just waiting to land. It's just cool. Oh. I'm awake.
I'll be right back.
I'll be here. Good afternoon. I mean, you'd think they'd be a little lower if they were circling, waiting to land, huh? Here comes a helicopter now. Jesus. Yo, look at this freaking helicopter, dude. Look at this freaking helicopter. Look at this blacked out helicopter. Come on. Come on, bitch. Where are you? Oh, you little fucker. Where'd you go? Oh, shit. Where'd you go? There it is. There it is. Hold on. Black ass helicopter. Alright, it's coming back around. There's the plane just making another round. Where's it at? I see it. I gotta put the sunglasses on it. Gotta put the sunglasses on it. There it is. Got it. Alright, see, look, there's a regular plane obviously up top. Alright, and then there's that one circling. Come on. It's there. It's there. There it is. It's a bird flying. And there's a little weird black helicopter that keeps circling. I just think you'd be way lower to the ground. You're just doing circles. It's weird. I'm not saying it's got anything to do with me. I'm just saying it's weird. That's all. Or do they just train you to fly in circles? I don't know.